super sunny today in New York. It's just that it's a little bit windy. But hey, that doesn't matter, because we're reviewing this vacuum. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. So, this vacuum is the Biselle Zing. Yep, this is how the box looks like. And yep, that's how it is. And let's look at this vacuum. Alright, got the vacuum right over here. And the other things that are in the box are these two things. These two nozzles and the instructions. And let's look at each of them in detail. Bagless Convenience. Alright, so this is right here. I'm gonna twist this off. Alright, what is Bagless Convenience? Essentially, you can take this off with a press of a button. And you have it right here. And the way this works is you can either open it up like this, or by twisting it as they tell you to do right here. So this is it. And essentially the air goes into this through this nozzle, through this hole right here. And then it goes in through the filters, come out of this top hole right here. Alright, so you twist this filter off. And inside is the filter. And you have this filter. You have this thing. And you have this filter. And that is it. There's nothing else you can remove. And you can put it back like so. So this is the vacuum machine. And okay, this is the hole that the air come out of. So everything that gets sucked in will go through this hole where the pipe connects to and goes into the filter and come out and out of the filters through here. That's where like the fan sits. So they have to put a sponge layer. And finally out of this bottom hole right here. So you can open it like so. Right, like that. You have a layer of sponge. So this is the layer. This sponge you can actually remove. Multi-surface cleaning. Multi-surface cleaning. So here's one type of nozzle they have. You can just like pull it off like this. It's friction fit. And here are some tube extensions. And this is, I'll go over that later. Multi-surface cleaning. So you have, first of all, this nozzle right here. And you will see that there is a switch on it. So if I press it, you will see, well, if you watch it carefully, you'll see that this brush on the top and this squeegee like thing toward the rear will extend outward. So if you press it, they'll come out. And this is I think is for cleaning carpets. But you have these two other nozzles, other two type of nozzles, and this type. I have something to add here. Out of all these nozzles, only this type of nozzle. So you'll see on pictures where they I don't know what's on the box that is. But, oh, right here. On the cover of the instruction, you will see that somehow this thing is like being attached to the vacuum cleaner. That's because you have this right here. And this fits into this slot. So, airflow regulator, which is this thing. It's essentially a cover, plastic cover covering a hole. So this hole is a see-through. It's like it punches right through this tube. And if you covered it completely, the suction power will increase. If you make that hole bigger, some of the air that's getting sucked in will go through this hole, which weakens the suction power on this end. Automatic core rewind button. That's the automatic core. That's the automatic core rewind button. This is core. You pull it out, press it, go back in. Measure the cord. See how long it is. Longer than my tape measure can measure. More than 16 feet. So let's say, I'll say 17 feet.